morning once again. So this is the continuation of our report guidelines on the online use of copyright material by Snaldeno, Glover, and Rasta 2012. So all materials on the internet is copyright unless stated otherwise. It is copyright even if it does not display on the copyright symbol. So, if makakita ka dira nga kanang copyright out, if you don't see a copyright symbol on a website text or images, doesn't mean you can really use them. So, the creator likely still holds the copyright. So, next is, an email is an original work fixed in a tangible medium of expression and is covered by copyright. Therefore, it is recommended that you should not forward an email without permission, considering both copyright and the Privacy Act. So, example is forwarding a personal email you received to a large group of people without sender's consent could potentially infringe on the copyright of the email's content. So, next is downloading an article from a newspaper's website, making copies and distributing them to students prior to a class discussion on the topic is permissible following current photocopying guidelines, which permits making multiple copies for classroom use. So, if, for example, if a teacher can usually print out several copies of a news article from a reputable online newspaper or distribute to their class for a lesson as long as it aligns with educational fair use guidelines.